What's the word, YouTube? We starting in the bathroom. We have just about did everything we can do in the kitchen. Alright, we did just about everything we can do in the kitchen so far. That's big cap. Let's take it way, way back. Got a little ahead of myself, y'all. My bad. So you know how it always start, because it didn't start like that. Right now, I'm working on this wall. I'm gonna scoot back so y'all can see it. So now we're in the living room. Last time y'all seen this wall, it was looking like this. So I evened out the wall as best as I could. Now I'm just I'm sanding it right now. You know what I'm saying? I already mudded it. I'm over here too, sanding all this. Yeah. And got a sand in there too.
Oh, we don't need no
What?
we got to move this right here. And I mean, we said we was gonna touch those up right there. We gonna need
Touch what up? What?
Babe, you know what I'm talking about?
I don't.
This. You have to move it over there.
So, part 3 of rebuilding the house. Y'all see I finished the wall. It's the thumbnail. Facebook, YouTube, all platforms.
What's going on, everybody, man? It's Tyron Lines, Big Boss Owner CEO of TRL Home and Line of Pool. I got the guys with me, you know. Hey, I appreciate the Leslie Bates Davis Neighborhood House for giving me the chance to partnership with you all and get, 16 to 24-year-olds to have a chance to learn and be under me as a good mentor this summer. Hey, get with us, man.
Yes, sir. Yeah. See this one here? Hi YouTube, day 2 of doing the floor and also breaking apart the floor in the kitchen. It's coming along. We have this section to rip out, and that'll be a wrap for ripping out the kitchen floor. And today we are about to start doing the floor in the living room, so bear with me. All right, guys, so we have started to install the floor. Everything is going good. Let me show y'all the brand we're using. The floor. This is the brand. What's the home decor? Home decorators. And as you see, it's coming out good. Let me tell you. As you see, the floor is coming out good. We about 75% done in the living room, or 85% done in the living room. It's looking really good. Comment down below and let us know how we're doing so far. So this floor just literally pop in. So you just pop it in, and that is it.
To the money where I'm going, that's my destination. Get my mama a new crib and a new location. Young niggas chasing dreams, we just tryna make it. Fuck the cops, we lost cash shine in a high speed. 4 years ago, 2016 on Halloween. Mozzarella and the cheddar shiny wanted cheese. City cold, so I keep a jacket for the breeze. Fuck a coat like a boogie, I just want a fleece. Got 24 karat gold shining on my teeth. My niggas jumped off the porch like some fucking fleas. I keep the 40 quick to pop a nigga like some grease. It's kids dying every day, nobody at the scene. They mamas crying.
Alright, we at Home Depot. We're finna pick out this floor. Hey, Home Depot, go ahead and sponsor me, man. Alright, y'all. This the finishing product, man. Yes, sir. So we got that done. We're gonna go to the hallway next, right?
Yeah.
We got a lot more work to do, but yeah, that's where we at. So from the clip that you seen on this video, earlier in this video, this was the kitchen. This is still the kitchen. We demolished the floor. We took the floor out, and now we are putting our new floor in. Yeah, comment down below and let me know what y'all think of this floor, man. It's gonna be nice. Shout out to Mika doing her thug thizzle. Looking good, though. This is called what's the name of this again?
Porcelain.
Porcelain. It kind of look like marble. Let me get up on it. It's shiny.
Look at that sponge.
Yeah, it's shiny. You gotta get the sponge, y'all. You gotta keep it clean while you're doing it so stuff don't like stick on it. I'm gonna pick it back up though. So this is what we did in the living room. Looks very nice to me. It's pretty much going, I put it all down there. It's going all the way through here. Yet to do this room. Bathroom is pretty much done. We gotta put this last little piece right here. But we had to hurry up and get this done because we're trying to get our kitchen done. That way the house can pretty much be ready to move in. On this wall, what we're doing right here, we're gonna put like a countertop right here. And under it, I would like to put some type of material that kind of floats up this wall and floats as the back splash as well. I think that'd be unique and nice. And I'm gonna put some lights under here. Right, I'm gonna put some lights under here. Bar stools. Right. It's gonna be nice. Stay tuned. Video not over yet. I'm gonna pick it back up when we get done doing this. Yo, this video, somehow the clip got messed up, so no sound was involved at all on it. So this is us using wood filler to basically make sure the wood was very smooth, you know, come out with that crisp finish. Yes, sir. And while we doing this, man, hey, if you working on a house, go ahead and comment down below. I'm just trying to build more of a crowd, you know. But yeah, we went over like 2 or 3 times with the wood filler just to make sure everything was good. All the pieces was smooth, and, you know, and right. Get them things right. Yep. That's Tamika snoring in the back. This is like just like the second day and whatnot. We've been working on the cabinets. I ain't did nothing today. Ain't gonna cap. Mika been doing. Mika and Andrea. Shout out to Andrea. They been doing all the work.
Shout out to me.
Yo, this color look real good for you. I like the color so far. Let me know what y'all think. I mean, I don't really know how I go with the floor though.
It's given
Modern, you like that? You know who picked out that color? You know?
Me already said it was you.
Yeah.
It was colors I like, and I said that one.
Yeah. I like this color. Mika probably tricked me and put her color on instead. Is that what happened?
I don't think so. No. Because this one's still lighter than the other two.
This video right here is gonna be short, y'all. I'm just really tuning in and letting y'all know where we at. And just kind of like just keeping up with the process, man. Of the painting. I'm gonna try to get some of that footage of them painting from Mika so y'all can kind of see how that look.
Wait, what is Mika?
Let's go. Oh, she in her pain.
16 on Halloween. Mozzarella and the cheddar shiny want the cheese. City cold, so I keep a jacket for the breeze. Fuck a coat like a boogie, I just want to fleece. Got 24 karat gold shining on my teeth. My niggas jumped off the porch like some fucking fleas. I keep the 40 quick to pop a nigga like some grease. It's kids dying every day, nobody at the scene. They mamas crying every day, wish it was all a dream. Niggas lying.
Yo! So this is where we at, y'all. We fixing all these doors, man. You got it looking pretty good in here, man. You know. Finishing up with the cabinets. So this was our first time painting cabinets, man. So, man, look, it ain't perfect, but hey, I'm gonna let y'all see the flaws so y'all can see what's going on. Yeah.
Boring. Final notice in the mill, they cutting off the gas. Boiling water every night just to got tired of seeing mama struggle down to her last. So I got up and went and got a bag. Them long nights in the streets turned me to a man. I made 100 off a dub and flipped it to $1,000. I came from standing on the corner holding on my hand. Until you came where I'm from, you wouldn't understand.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Y'all gonna have to just accept this video. We have been at this thing for so long. It's been like 6 months since I dropped a video on the house. We have came a long way, y'all. We have came a really long way.
Bro, I'm in here in my work clothes.
So you see what we doing. Put these on here. You wanna use that what's it called? No. Okay, soldier. Look really good though, y'all. I love how we put this color together, man, with the blue. I love that look, man. That's real smooth.
I still think if we did a darker blue, it would be better.
I mean, this is dark though.
It's no.
What you call that? Like when I showed them in slow motion, the montage. Yeah, I gotta do one of those, man. So we still gotta do this. Everything gonna look good.
Can't be right, I prayed to God and dropped down to my knees. Had tears swelling in my eyes so I couldn't see. This pain was heavy in my heart so I couldn't breathe. She told me use all your pain as your inspiration. To the money where I'm going, that's my destination. Get my mama a new crib and a new location. Young niggas chasing dreams, we just trying to make it.
So unfortunately, we had to go back through. We had to scrub off all of excess paint because in some spots it was like paints had dripped. So we went back through it, boom, scraped off some of those spots where the paint was like over leaking. Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Going through it, getting it right. Then we had to repaint it and put some more clear coat on it. It was pretty much straightforward though.
I know this in the middle of the video, but I just want to first of all say this, man. We're trying to get a sponsorship from Home Depot, man. We got new projects coming. Sponsorship, Home Depot loads. Whoever want to do it, sponsor it, man. That's all we really need, man. We're looking for a sponsorship, so yeah. Home Depot.
Gang, since potty train.
Yes, sir. You know where to get this from, man. This raid, this bum house is finna get rid of everything. Go to your nearest Home Depot store ASAP to grab it. Let's get it.
You doing these too? These? Mm-hmm. This one gonna be last. I'm popping one in this bathroom.
So what you gonna do? These 2 rooms? I'm gonna do the living room and this room.
Yeah.
And Darshawn, you doing the garage and the kitchen? You say you know what? He's just throwing it in there. What'd you say, Mickey?
That living room, make sure we all out the door first.
Y'all make sure y'all lock the doors. Hey, hold on. You doing this, boom. Which ones you doing, Mickey?
This one in the bathroom.
Alright, so let me know when y'all ready. We're gonna count to 3, alright?
1.
Hold on. Alright, tell me.
What
Oh, bro, we need to turn off the lights.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck that. Bro, Tamika, you turned off.